Welcome to the Science Network. Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 of the latest groundbreaking scientific developments. Let's dive right in and get started.
Revolution in brain research, 3D printed neuron environment.
Our brain is an incredible organ that learns and adapts at an astonishing speed. But do we fully understand how neurons communicate and form complex networks? Scientists at Delft University of Technology, TU Delft, have developed a groundbreaking 3D printed brain-like environment that mimics neuronal growth and connections, offering new insights into conditions like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and autism. Traditional lab environments, like Petri dishes, fail to replicate the brain's soft and fibrous structure. To bridge this gap, TU Delft researchers designed a special environment using ultra-precise 3D laser printing, creating nanopillars 1,000 times thinner than a human hair. These nanopillars provide a soft, scaffold-like structure, making neurons behave as if they were inside an actual brain. In standard Petri dishes, neurons grow in random directions. However, on these nanopillars, they form more organized networks, closely resembling real neural connections. Scientists also observed that neurons in this environment mature more effectively, making this model a powerful tool for studying brain diseases. Unlike previous methods using inconsistent gel-based materials, this approach offers a more precise and reproducible way to explore how the nervous system develops and how diseases affect neural connectivity. This innovation could revolutionize our understanding of the brain and pave the way for future treatments. Do you think such technology could lead to breakthroughs in curing brain disorders?
Even low levels of traffic pollution threaten liver health.
A new study conducted at the University of Technology, Sydney, and published in the Journal of Environmental Sciences found that even low levels of traffic-related air pollution can damage the liver. This research specifically examined the effects of fine particulate matter, known as PM2.5, on liver health. Fatty liver disease occurs when excessive fat accumulates in liver cells, potentially leading to cirrhosis, cancer, and organ failure. The study found that PM2.5 particles from traffic pollution enter the bloodstream through the lungs and accumulate in the liver. This buildup triggers inflammation, the accumulation of abnormal immune cells, and metabolic imbalances. Researchers recommend minimizing exposure to air pollution by avoiding heavy traffic, choosing less polluted routes for outdoor activities, and keeping car windows closed while driving. The findings indicate that there is no safe level of exposure to traffic-related pollution, as even low doses can pose a risk to liver health.
Real-time management of cellular processes with light-controlled chemical tools. Light-controlled chemical tools are an innovative way to precisely control biological processes within cells. These tools use light-sensitive molecules that can be switched on or off with specific wavelengths, allowing real-time observation and control of cellular activities. Traditional genetic methods lack the precision needed to study dynamic cellular processes. Light-controlled tools solve this by enabling micrometer-level adjustments. One key component is molecular adhesives, molecules that bring proteins together to change their activity or location. By combining them with light-sensitive groups, researchers can switch protein interactions on or off with light. Scientists at Umeå University have developed a more stable and versatile version of these adhesives, offering better reliability and control over protein functions. This advancement provides a deeper understanding of cell functions, disease mechanisms, and potential new treatments. This research was published in Angewandte Chemie International Edition and Chemistry, a European journal in 2024. These findings could revolutionize medicine and synthetic biology by enabling precise control of biological systems.
Like our video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be informed about new developments like this. Always stay curious.